Welcome to the garden, guys. A rainy, wet day here in the garden, and just want to show you real quick how things are looking right now. I need to harvest some of this blue kale, just a couple pieces, because I'm making a dish today. I might just upload what I'm making to show you guys something a little bit different. And I could harvest this broccoli right here, guys, but I don't have my pruners or my scissors, so I need to go back and get that. But it's a rainy day, guys, and a rainy day. A little breezy out here, but I know they're loving it. And I know that the water bill is getting a real good break right now. So I am excited about that one. Let's get you another shot of the moringa tree here, so you guys can see a little update. Okay. But, yeah. Very quickly, just show you guys the citrus. This is the Morro blood orange, and this Morro blood orange needs to be pruned because actually what really did happen too, matter of fact, the wind gust broke a branch, and I had to cut it off. Unfortunately, it sucked, but it would have looked more better with that branch. And this one over here is leaning, so we lost the branch, but it's okay, that's all right. And over here is our Washington navel next to the Aurora Setsuma, guys. And this thing with another blood orange is right here. Doing pretty good. So guys, that's all I want to show you. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm gonna prune some kale and get started on cooking dinner. Peace.